This is the GIGIKISS tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys exactly how to install it and give you my opinion on this screen protector. Now it comes in this really nice packaging here, and let's go and see what's inside. Alright, first thing you're going to notice here is a nice insulation frame to make it very easy to align the screen protector. Next, they're going to give us 2 sets of insulation accessories, followed by a user manual. Plus, you're going to get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, making this a tremendous value since you're getting 2 for the price of 1. So I like the fact that you're getting 2, which is awesome. Alright, so first thing you want to do is power off your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Next, we're going to grab the auxiliary tools here and we're going to open it up. And inside, they're going to give us an alcohol prep pad, microfiber cloth, and a dust removal sticker. We're going to first use the alcohol prep pad, and we're going to pass that on the front screen. Next, we grab the microfiber cloth and we wipe it off. And after that, we should have a nice clean phone. So go ahead and place it down, and you're going to grab the insulation frame here. You're going to locate where it says top. You're going to put that on top of the phone. It's going to go right over. And next thing you're going to do here is you're going to grab the dust absorber sticker here. And we want to make sure there's no lint on top of the screen here. So you'll notice there's like a little lint on top. So you're just going to use this to absorb all of those little lints here. And I like to do this with the insulation frame on because that way I'm ready to put the screen protector as soon as possible. All right, next we're going to grab the tempered glass screen protector and we're going to remove this adhesive side. Then we're going to place it downward, and you'll know where the top is because this has like a little translucent on the dynamic island. And with the self alignment tray here, we're just going to place it against it, and we can just drop it in place. And you should see the screen protector self-adhere. I like to use my finger to run across the screen protector. All right, and just like that, we have it successfully installed. Now this is a matte screen protector here, so this is perfect to deflect all of those harsh light sources. So let's go ahead and power on the phone here and see how it feels. All right, now that we have it on, let's go ahead and see how it feels. And the screen protector feels ultra smooth, feels really nice on the finger. Definitely love that a lot. Let's go ahead and do a nice little pinch to zoom. Feels really, really crisp here. Definitely feels a million times better than the original screen of the 16 Pro Max. Now, what I like about this is that the colors on this definitely look very accurate, with the added bonus of this being matte as well. We can see the dynamic island is very perfect here. As you can see, it is ultra clear on there, and you can see where the screen protector meets against the edge of the phone here, which will leave enough space to put a whole bunch of cases, because you want to make sure it's compatible for cases, of course. So that's a feature I definitely love. Now, again, you are going to notice there's kind of like a matte display here. And again, the benefits of this is the fact that the harsh light sources aren't reflected too harshly. So to give you an example here, you can kind of see the differences between the two. You can see that on my 16 Pro, the light is reflected very, very harshly here. Whereas on the GIGIKISS here, this matte basically kind of dissipates the glare here. So this is perfect for, you know, when you're in very bright environments. It just makes it easier to view, and it feels really nice and sleek. Now, you will notice this being a matte screen, you might notice some type of fuzziness, especially when it's in a very white background. But again, this is a property of matte screen protectors. So again, you got the benefit of deflecting a lot of those harsh light sources. So it's going to be very easy to use in very bright environments when you're outside, anything like that. This is what it's meant for. So definitely highly recommend the GIGIKISS tempered glass screen protector. We're getting 9H hardness, scratch resistance, anti fingerprints, and it's clear enough to showcase all of your beautiful colors. I love the fact that it includes an insulation frame, making it very easy to self-align, and the fact that you have an additional screen protector here makes this a tremendous value. So all in all, guys, I highly recommend the GIGIKISS tempered glass screen protector. Firewolf out.